Close your eyes. Completely relax yourself. Think of Baba for a minute. Take a deep breath. Okay, so today's session is going to be on the sleep, but before that, let us listen to एक छोटा story. ठीक है? A question I'll ask you. So, who is the inventor of the bulb, electricity? Wonderful. How many times he has to try to win that invention? Somebody says 1000? 10,000 नहीं. Okay, so it's more than 2000 times. 2000 बार करना है ट्रायल्स. इतना बार किया, फेल हो गया, राइट? देन वो लोग फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स पूछा क्यों इतना बार कोशिश करती, इतना बार भी फेल किया. सॉरी, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे होता है. बट वो साइंटिस्ट बोला ठीक है, बट आई अंडरस्टूड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स दिस डज नॉट वर्क. वो भी नॉलेज है ना, राइट? सो इन साइंस वी से देर इज नो बैड डेटा, देर इज नो बैड एक्सपेरिमेंट. ठीक है? वाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस? बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर some experiences about my own sleep. Okay, earlier I have shared how my concentration was good, but now I'm going to share how my sleep was bad. Okay, so it's okay because sometimes we have to hear others experiences also so that we don't again do the same mistake in our life. है ना? क्यों same mistakes why should we do? We can learn from others. है ना? Okay, so I think we'll start with the okay, ठीक है, we'll start with the topic science of sleep. Om Shanti. Is it better now? ठीक है? अच्छा. Okay, so we'll start with the topic and धीरे धीरे मेरे experiences wherever are required I'll share them. ठीक है? So wonderful, baby happily sleeping. So please raise your hands. Yesterday night who all slept well? अच्छा. So some people have not slept well. What happened? Atal Bridge effect? Heavy dinner effect? Change of place effect? No? All good? Over happy? Yeah, why not? Surely. Actually, we do that quite a lot, right? Okay, so let's look at all the factors. I also did not sleep well yesterday, although my body was saying, yeah, you are getting sleep, because I was busy in the details of the presentation, you know. So it happens. Okay, let's start with something interesting. So scientists एक बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू डिस्कवर किया. क्या ब्रेक थ्रू? एक ट्रीटमेंट, नया ट्रीटमेंट. और ट्रीटमेंट से आप मेमोरी अच्छा होता है. ओके, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो मेक यू बहुत क्रिएटिव. इट विल ऑल्सो मेक यू लुक अट्रैक्टिव, मतलब बॉडी में. ओके, एंड इट विल मेक यू स्लिम. एंड फूड क्रेविंग्स होता है ना, ओ स्वीट चाहिए, हाँ, ओ स्नैक्स चाहिए, ओ पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए, वो क्रेविंग्स भी बहुत कम होता है. देन इट विल ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट यू फ्रॉम डिसीजेस लाइक कैंसर एंड डिमेंटिया. डिमेंटिया का मतलब क्या है? हाँ, ए मेंटल डिसऑर्डर है, उसमें मेमोरी कम होता है. ओके, वो डिमेंटिया बोलता. So it also helps in preventing cold and flu, and then it also lowers your heart attacks and other immunity related diseases. So it makes you feel happier and depressed. Oh, कौन सा treatment है? Sleep. So shall we sleep 24 hours? So how many hours should we sleep then? 6 to 8 hours. Everybody should sleep 6 to 8 hours? Yeah, correct. Depends on the age. And दूसरा क्या है? Yogi or not yogi, right? Our Suraj Bhai probably tells 4 hours sleep is sufficient, right? Okay, what else? Whether you are having exposure to the sunlight or not, right? Whether you are physically exercising or not, right? Whether you are eating good food or not. सब many factors है ना? Whether you are happy or not, that also matters a lot, isn't it? If the sleep can influence all of these can also influence your sleep. Okay? So yes, in fact, we have 21st December है. कौन सा डेट है? What is the date special for? World Meditation Day. We all went to the university grounds to do meditation, right? So there is something called World Sleep Day. पता है? अभी तक anybody knows? No, right? So World Sleep Day में हम क्या करती? We'll sleep? Why not? We can sleep. The entire world can sleep. We ground and sleep. Wonderful, wonderful. So actually for the next year it's going to be on 13th March. You can write and probably think of sleeping the whole day. That's for fun. But yeah, let's understand what is the World Sleep Day means. Okay. So basically this has been the World Sleep Day. It has been implemented since 2008. Okay. Already many years are over. So, but what is the purpose of it? Because of our generation of people who are not sleeping well and who are not understanding the sleep disorders क्या होता है लॉन्ग टर्म में, है ना? इसीलिए अवेयरनेस के लिए वो वर्ल्ड स्लीप डे बनाई है. So let us look at some numbers. Okay, so insomnia, वो वर्ड पता है? Insomnia means lack of sleepless, basically lack of sleep or sleeplessness, है ना? Okay, so because of insomnia problem globally, मतलब पूरा all countries, there is a loss of almost trillion US dollars per year. Trillion means? Million means 10 lakhs, 10 power of 6. Billion means 10 power of 9. Trillion means 10 power of 12. Million into million is trillion. Okay, that much amount of money is a loss for the entire globe due to lack of sleep. Why? How come that is a loss actually? Can anybody think? Loss of productivity, है ना? So क्या होता है एक कंपनी में? We are all for example working कंपनी में. Okay, today we overworked. Instead of 8 hours we overworked 12 hours and we'll think ठीक है वो काम हो गया, बहुत अच्छा है, and our bosses are also happy, बहुत खुश है. But then because to compensate this many hours of sleeplessness, then we will say ठीक है I'll do work from home and you will all go to home for working. Then you are not efficient at home sometimes because you are mixing your personal life, professional life, है ना? And then you're also not sleeping well, so that also reduces your creativity, ठीक है? And you are not being very fresh. Decision making में भी थोड़ा difficult होता है ना? So because of all of that, the entire productivity of the companies have reduced and therefore there is a huge loss financially. If you look at the companies, America is the number one who is having a lot of loss, and it is around 400 billion US dollars per year. Okay, then you can also see Japan. Generally, Japanese people are one of the kindest people, humblest people, and they do all their works. Like our BKs, they don't have any, ego thing that, okay, I don't want to do such and such work. Nothing like that. They really do all kinds of works, but they also sleep very less. So, which is why there are also a lot of suicides in Japan. You may be aware of that. So if you look at Japan also, there is quite a lot of financial loss. In Germany, Canada, UK. What about India and China? We are the most populated, no? Because our policy makers never did this kind of study only. But we also have got lot of problem because of sleeplessness. So we are, therefore, we should be actually creating this awareness of the sleep in the entire community that we know. And what should we be saying? What is healthy sleep means? Okay, if sleep is not good, क्या क्या होता है, disorders क्या क्या होता है, temporarily and also permanently क्या क्या होता है, सब कुछ we have to know, and दूसरा के भी we have to explain to them. We should not also being in the leadership positions. We are probably all in the leadership positions sometime or other. So we should not also ask our juniors to overwork. That is also not a good idea. Okay, so the outline of this topic will be why sleep is essential. And second point will be, we'll understand a little bit of sleep cycle. Can I sleep for half an hour in the morning? Can I sleep for half an hour in the afternoon, 3 hours in the evening, 2 hours in the night? Can I break it up however I want? Or maybe there is a particular sleep cycle which is actually good for the body and the brain. हम वो देख लेंगे. Then effects of sleep deprivation. Deprivation मतलब sleeplessness. So क्या problems होता है body में and brain में. Then finally, yeah, these are all problems, but some tips भी चाहिए ना हमका. So क्या क्या tips है हम, we can write it down, note it down. ठीक है. So I think before we move on, let me then maybe tell a little bit about my story. Yes, yesterday I was saying that मेरा concentration बहुत अच्छा था. Yes, it's also good now, but it also, I overstretched it in the sense that I made my timetable too strict for myself. And yes, when I was having a time table, let's say regular timetable, okay, I'm sleeping at least for 4 hours, 6 hours, that was still okay. So then in my IIT Madras, I think that's when the whole sleep schedule has got really bad. So I was so much fascinated into the research that I forgot to sleep. Really, I forgot to sleep. I forgot to eat. I said, why should we eat? Why should we sleep? This is such a waste of time. I've had that feeling for several months. Okay. And then actually my highest that I did not sleep was 3 days and nights together. I did not sleep. And fourth day I tried to sleep. Sleep was not coming at all. You don't try. It's not good for you. कोशिश नहीं करो. I'll tell you the bad effects of that also. And that's not the only time. It also happened again to me in Switzerland. Same problem. I was so much interested in finding out why something is not working. I would even put a mattress in the lab. Lab में mattresses भी होता है. You sleep there, wake up after 2 hours, check the experiment. Oh, it's not working. Then again continue the experiment. If it is working, ठीक है, then थोड़ा, get some rest. ऐसे किया, same problem. Finally, what happened? मेरा heartbeat 170 हो गया. Not for one day. Several months में ऐसे है. Anxiety हो गया. Depression हो गया. I even took, pills for the sleeping. So I never shared it in the public like this. But I think it's important to share because we should not get into those unnecessary wrong cycles. Right? So this is all quite bad. Yeah. Fine, I'm running, not competing with other people. I have that own curiosity and the passion for science, but I was just 20s. I have all my life to do my research, right? I'm going to retire at 65 and I'm right now 36. So I have, 30 more years at least to do research. Why am I running like this and screwing up my body, right? Then I decided, ठीक है, let me relax, let me calm down, let me listen to my body and the brain what it requires now. इसीलिए when Balabai has asked me what sessions would you like to take here, I said the first session I want to take is sleep only. Because that is what I'm not 100% good right now. So I want to learn and I want to churn on it, and I also want to share where I went wrong so that आप ऐसे नहीं करना है. Okay, please never stay awake like 2 days, 3 days. Don't stay awake. This is not good. I'm also going to play a video wherein somebody did not sleep for 11 days. That's the world Guinness record. So, but very harmful. You will get mad. Just for 3 days itself, I was like, I was not able to think further, think how to even calm down. I couldn't do anything after the 4th day onwards, right? I was still always in those thoughts of science. So it took me quite a while to actually come to the ground state. Okay?
Some exceptions are there. यहाँ जब हम आबू जाते हैं तो अंबाजी आता है रास्ते में, हिम्मतनगर वाले रोड से. तो वहाँ एक आश्रम में एक व्यक्ति रहता है. अभी उसकी डेथ हो गई है 3-4 साल पहले. उसने 70 इयर्स तक नहीं खाया, नहीं पिया, नहीं सोया. 70 इयर्स
कंप्लीट फुल लाइफ में.
फुल लाइफ मतलब वो 10 इयर्स का था तब उसने खाना पीना सब छोड़ दिया था. And healthy. So that exception, because of some, I think, divine powers or like that. Yeah, in general way, it is not possible.
Exactly. Yeah. So you're fully right. I think
I met him 2 times personally. He is climbing the stairs and normal life. हॉस्पिटल में यहाँ इन स्टर्लिंग हॉस्पिटल में 21 डेज उसको एडमिट किया डॉक्टर्स ने टू चेक ये बिना खाए पिए कोई कैसे रह सकता है, बिना सोए कैसे रह सकता है. एंड द डॉक्टर वर अमेज्ड कि कैसे पॉसिबल है, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल.
Yeah, thank you so much, Paiji, for sharing that exception. But are you sure we are an exception? I thought I was an exception and tried it. I failed it. So thoda dekh lo, socho. So those are exceptions because, as Baiji said, they have some extra yogic power, divine power with them, right? So in Satyug also, maybe we are not going to sleep for so many hours, right? Probably in one of the Murlis, Baba was saying we sleep for relatively less period of time in Satyug, right? Because the state of mind, the body, the nature, everything is very different udhar, hai na? So abhi in this environment, for my body, for the kind of work that I am doing, right? Then what is the requirement? That is what we need to see, and therefore we have to listen to the body and the brain of myself. है ना? ठीक है? Okay, so एक questionnaire है. Please आप book and notebook and pen, please take them. Everybody understood me? आपका notebook, pen. Okay, a questionnaire है. I'm going to read the first question. So question 1 about satisfaction. Are you satisfied with your sleep? Satisfied means santustata. Correct? Okay. So your score can be between 0 or 1 or 2. 0 will be for kabhi nahi or kabhi kabhi, very rarely. Sometimes then it is score 1. Then usually or always the score is 2. Write down the score for the question 1. Ho gaya? Next one, alertness. The question is, are you satisfied with your sleep? The score is between either 0 is for rarely or never. Sometimes if you are satisfied, then it is 1 score. And if you are always or most of the time satisfied, then the score is 2. चलेगा? क्वेश्चन है? ठीक है, स्कोर लिखा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, alertness. Did you stay awake today morning in the entire session? That was more fun, but generally, right? Do you stay awake all the day without dozing? Without dozing means नींद नहीं आया. हाँ. So again the same scores. You can either score 0 or 1 or 2. Be honest, because it's only for you. Nobody is going to check it. I will tell you also my score. Don't worry, it's very, very low. Some time back. हो गया? Alertness हो गया? Mostly, that is why the last point is mostly or always. है ना? Alertness means fresh है. Question, do you stay awake all day without dozing? Dozing मतलब थोड़ा नींद आएंगे ना लंच का बाद में. ऐसे do you feel fresh throughout the day or you feel dull? ठीक है? हाँ, then maybe accordingly. थर्ड क्वेश्चन हम करेंगे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन हो गया. वंडरफुल. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, टाइमिंग. आर यू asleep between 2 and 4 in the morning or trying to sleep? See, this is a general questionnaire for all the BKs and non-BKs, है ना? So I know that some BKs wake up at 2 o'clock for doing your yoga, but accordingly you can write it down. If you are sleeping in between the 2 and 4, always then the score is 2. Sometimes the score is 1, and if you are never sleeping between this time, your score is 0. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, टाइम चाहिए थोड़ा. थर्ड क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना है. जी, ओके. जी, so yeah, that's okay. Between 2 to 4, if you are sleeping, then your score is 2. What time do you wake up, if I can ask? 3:30. Okay. So yeah, I think mostly it will be 2 score only for you, because you are sleeping for 1.5 hour among the 2 hours, right? So see, again, as Baiji mentioned about exceptions, so there are some people who are like night owls, right? थोड़ा night में काम करेंगे, but day में they want to rest. Some people are like, maybe, we are not really like giraffes. Do you know the giraffe? How many hours giraffe sleeps in a day? Giraffe only sleeps for half an hour to 2 hours maximum in a day. Okay, so that's what, every person is unique. They have a different sleep schedules, but these questions are for all the general people. First हम score बनाएंगे, then बाद में हम individual exceptions है then discuss करेंगे. ठीक है? Okay, yeah. Question 3 हो गया. Okay. Question 4, efficiency. So वो मतलब today I went to bed at 10 o'clock. So when do I get sleep? I have to awake until 10:30 p.m. or 11 o'clock on the bed. कितना time लगेगा आपका sleep आना के लिए? So English में, do you spend less than 30 minutes awake at the night? This includes the time it takes to fall asleep and awakenings from the sleep. ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है क्या आपका, or you just fall sleepy immediately? Immediately? Excellent. You are very fortunate souls in that case. Okay, so in that case your score will be 2. Otherwise it's 1 or 0. Likao, please. Yes. Wake up time also. Maximum combined. Yes. Or let's say 5 minutes and 25 minutes. Like basically they are putting a summation that total time to fall asleep or total, plus the total time to actually come outside the sleep, right? This together should be less than 30 minutes. कभी कभी होता है ऐसे ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, ओ टुडे इज ए संडे, ओ मे बी आई स्लीप अ लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर, ऐसे नहीं होता है. ओके, या गुड. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, शैल वी गो टू फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन 4 हो गया, सब लिखा? ओके, वंडरफुल. ड्यूरेशन, डू यू स्लीप बिटवीन 6 and 8 hours per day? Okay, wonderful. So please then accordingly write your score. And count your scores. Count your scores, add your scores. Totally maximum you should have 10. Okay, anybody has got 10 out of 10? Excellent. 2 people, most fortunate souls in the world. 3 souls. Okay, so if you are having the scores more towards 10, then it means that your sleep is very good, right? Anybody towards 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I was also 4 6 months ago. So don't be, when I went to Madhuban for this same training, my score was 4. But now in the last 6 months, it has improved to 7 to 8. Okay? Because I am now listening to my body and the brain, and I am actually taking more sunshine. I am doing some things which have helped to become better at my sleep. Okay? So now that you know what is your score, accordingly, हम देखना है क्या क्या lifestyle changes बनाना है. ठीक है? Okay, first point. Why is sleep essential? Mind का important है sleep? Sleep is important for your mind, right? Okay, why? You feel fresh, you feel alert, your memory will be excellent if you had a good sleep. Body, we will come to that. Mind में क्या क्या है? You can tell me that. You will be happy, right? So you will have good relationships with people, right? So cognitively, you will be able to have good learning, good logical thinking, right? And good memory power, etc. So in fact, मेरा बचपन में I can exactly tell which chapter, which page number, which line में क्या क्या है. अभी इतना I don't have that much memory power. So because that time my sleep schedule was much better compared to now. So, and also during the dreams, as we were discussing yesterday, the creativity will be very, very good if you had a good sleep. Because the past and the present information, neurons में connect हो जाएगा and some interesting insights will come. Okay, psychological, this is something very important. आप stress है पहले दिन, then the stress will be reduced. Okay, anxiety है वो भी कम हो जाएगा. mood swings बोलता ना अभी, like that's a common word. Yeah, I'm having mood swings these days. I don't know why. Maybe hormonal problem, or maybe I don't even know, it just is happening. I don't know from where it is coming. Maybe from environment vibrations I'm catching. Now I think that is a new analysis we are trying to pick up, right? Yeah, that is also true. I'm not saying that is not false, but this is also maybe because of our own bad sleep, right? So we can actually improve our mood and also cleanse the brain. Physically we take bath, we do lot of things to clean your body, but the brain cleaning happens during the sleep. It's a very, very interesting information for me also. I thought, sleep? Why should I sleep? It's okay. I'm very good. Like maybe I should become like, that yogi who never sleeps so that I'll have lot of time for doing everything, research. But the brain cleaning has to be done, na? Thirdly, the physical restoration for the body, right? So you're going to become more stronger. Your diseases like, cold, flu, all of those will not attack you, and many more bigger things like heart attacks. So as I said, I was having that heartbeat of 170 for a few minutes. For a few months I was thinking maybe I'm going to leave this body. So that's what I was thinking, right? So it really does affect the heart rate and other diabetics also. People have proven that it affects the diabetics and obesity problems, etc. Even the hormonal problems, right? So as you see, physical health, it improves your immunity, which means any kind of small infections आएंगे, then your body will resist them, those infections. It will have that much power. The body will be strong enough to fight those infections. Secondly, if blood pressure and heart diseases, right? So if you are sleeping less than 5 hours of sleep, you have increased risk of diabetics. This, by the way, this all information are scientifically proven, not just from any random website. These are proven using 2 groups. A control group है, okay? मतलब for example, now in our room, we split it into 2 groups. एक group में they are having sleep less than 5 hours. Then दूसरा group में normal adequate sleep, 8 घंटे sleep किया. Then दोनों में check किया every year how is their diabetics, how is their sugar in their blood, and similarly they have also checked for their heart attacks. So people sleeping less than 6 hours, they have 45% more risk to develop heart attacks in the longer period of time. And if you sleep less than 7 hours, then you are likely to be more obese. Why? Because if you are sleeping less, then the cravings will be there. You want to eat something in the night, right? Okay, chocolate चाहिए और bread चाहिए, pizza चाहिए, ऐसे होता है. And then if you are sleeping with the full stomach, it's going to rise up your, the sugar in the body. So it will also increase your weight. Yes, please. No, that's what we are just entering into the sleep cycle. So the sleep cycle has to be a minimum of some hours. Otherwise, if I will only sleep 1 hour, you will not get into the deep sleep where the cleansing of the brain happens. Okay? So that's continuous sleep is the answer. Yeah? Okay. So we'll understand from the sleep cycle what is that minimum amount of hours that we have to have a continuous sleep. ठीक है? कोई क्वेश्चन है अभी तक? इजी? ओके? बोरिंग? ओके, गुड. ठीक है. सो वी हैव स्लीप में 4 स्टेजेस है. फर्स्ट स्टेज, नाउ आई एम अवेक, आई वांट टू गो एंड स्लीप. फर्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स में इट इज कॉल्ड एज लाइट स्लीप. फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स ऐसे होता है, लाइट स्लीप. सो your muscles, your brain is slowing down. Your thinking is also little bit slowing down, right? Of course, physically your eye activity is slowing down, your hands, body is not moving much. That is very much like a light sleep. In the stage 2, what is happening is that your brain waves, मतलब आपका brain में कुछ waves generate होता है, electrical waves will be generated. जानकी दादी is called the stable mind, right? She has been awarded that. So why? Because she was generating delta waves even when she was not sleeping, right? So those waves correspond to the stability of your mind. So in the stage 2 and the stage 3, these kind of brain waves actually slow down. So in the stage 2, which is called as subdued sleep, you have about 10 to 60 minutes of it. Then in the stage 3, this is called as the deep sleep, and which is when you are actually producing the delta waves. Okay, so and this lasts for about 20 to 40 minutes. This is a range, right? Some people it might be for half an hour, some people it might be for 20 minutes, etc. And finally we are entering into last stage, which is called as REM sleep. Again, not getting too much into the scientific details. Over here dreaming happens, you get the dreams, right? So that is called as the stage 4. Here what happens is that you have this heart rate and the breathing little bit on the higher side. Sometimes it happens that in the dream perhaps maybe somebody is talking, aise hota hai, right? Somebody is maybe even walking, but they don't really know that they are actually doing that, right? So for me, the constant dream which I always get as if I am fighting. I don't know why, but yeah, so I get that. But that's more like a fun kind of a fighting, huh? Like a kids fighting, not the violent fighting. So these are the stages of sleep, right? So this is one entire cycle, okay? And this cycle is going to continue every 90 to 100 minutes, which means if you sleep for 1.5 hours, a cycle will be complete. Okay? And again another cycle 2 will repeat. Again cycle 3 will repeat, etc. So let's see. I think the fonts are a little bit difficult for everybody to read, but I'll explain this graph. So graph में क्या है मतलब, so here what are given is your brain signal. So scientists can record your brain signals. Okay, so वो brain signals है, and this is my sleep cycle. Not one cycle, but there are many cycles. So initially you started being awake. Right now you are not sleeping. Okay, then the first cycle will be the stage 1. We talked about the light sleep, right? You go to the light sleep first, then you go to subdued sleep, then you go to the deep sleep, etc. So once one cycle is complete, which is about 90 minutes, then again from there you get into the next one. Okay, so which is stage 3. From here you go to stage 2, then you go to the REM part, and this continues. So one thing that you have to notice is that this part, which is actually the repair and maintenance of your brain, that particular phase, that is only there for the 3 cycles. Later on you don't see that much, right? So after 3 cycles, if you are awake, if you wake up from the sleep, it is still okay. But 3 sleep cycles would be a good thing to actually have the good cleaning of your brain system. Is that okay now? So therefore the minimum sleep hours at a stretch would be 5 hours, we can say that. But again, please understand that this is a general information. It need not be applicable to every individual. Some people might require 7 hours. ठीक है, चलेगा? Then one more interesting point here. देख लो, 8 you slept for 8 घंटे, then बाद में क्या हो गया? Automatically you are going into the awake stage, right? So even if you want to sleep after 8 hours, you won't be able to sleep if you have slept very well in these hours. You will feel very fresh. Yes, sister.
क्वेश्चन आता है तो उस समय जैसे मान लो कि हम जग गए और इनफ संतुष्ट भी हो गए स्लीप से, बीइंग अ योगी, फिर डे टाइम में हमने और एक साइकिल ले ली, तो इज इट ओके या कंटिन्यूअस हमको 3 साइकिल्स लेना चाहिए रिपेयर एंड मेंटेनेंस के लिए? दैट इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, so I am just sharing my personal understanding so far, and I will also request Balabai to add if there is something missing. So I think it is okay to go for the dual mode of sleeping because many people have practiced this worldwide. including the yogis like us, right? And there are also some scientific studies which talked about this dual sleeping mode also. They said that you can have some short power nap in the afternoons, which will also help you and make you fresh, right? So it is okay that you only do 4 hours or maybe 4.5 hours to complete your 2 cycles, and then let's say you complete 1 or 1.5 cycle in the afternoon. That is okay. So because as I was mentioning, your happiness and the divine power from Baba, this also helps you. In one Murli, Baba says you sleep for what, 4 minutes? Sorry, you do yoga for 4 minutes and you're okay to not sleep for 4 hours, right? So I think that's why I think we have some exceptions in the yogi life. Balabai, if you want to add something.
रमेश भाई जी हमेशा एक बात कहते थे, हमारी बहनें बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि वो 2 बार 4 बजे उठती है। तो इसका कॉन्सेप्ट ये है, इसको कहते हैं बाइफेजिक, मोनोफेजिक और पॉलीफेजिक स्लीप। अगर एक साथ आप 6 या 6.5 घंटे 7 घंटे सो जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड मोनोफेजिक स्लीप। एक फेज में आप पूरा कर देते हैं, PHAC। अगर आप उसको ब्रेक करते हैं, विच इज वॉट यूजुअली BKs डू, बिकॉज मोस्ट BKs आर बाइफेजिक स्लीपर्स। वो हम 2 भागों में बंटते हैं, आइदर इट इज बिफोर अमृत वेला एंड आफ्टर अमृत वेला, और sometimes in the afternoon, because I work, we can't sleep in the afternoon for 1.5 or 2 hours, so I take that nap after Amrit Vela. So that becomes where you are breaking, but that breaking also should happen around those corners. So at a stretch you should at least get that 4.5 to 5 hours. आप दोपहर में सोते हो नेक्स्ट साइकिल पूरा करने के लिए, दैट इज ओके, या अमृत वेले के बाद सोते हो, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव दैट 4.5 to 5 hours to complete that initial deep sleep, NREM sleep, which is very important. इसलिए मैं सुबह को भी कह रहा था, जो लोग रात को लेट से सोते हैं, whom we call them as owls, तो उनको लेट से वो अनुभव होता है, तो अमृत वेले के टाइम पे उनका डीप स्लीप का टाइम होता है। तो इसलिए अगर आप बहुत लेट से सोए और अमृत वेले उठने की कोशिश किया, यू विल सम ऑफ अस फील डिसोरिएंटेड, सिर दर्द भी होता है, और वहां क्लास में सोने की बात तो छोड़ो, लेकिन आप इरिटेट भी हो जाते हैं, सिर दर्द भी शुरू हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू आर स्टिल स्लीपिंग ड्यूरिंग दैट स्टेज। और पॉलीफेज का मतलब है, ये शरीर को, कई हैं जिन्होंने इसके ऊपर एक बुक भी है, सिर्फ वो 40-40 मिनट या 1-1 घंटा सोते हैं, उसके बाद उठा देते हैं अपने आप को, बट इट विल टेक 6 to 8 months फॉर यू टू अलाउ योर बॉडी टू प्रैक्टिस दैट, और इसके बीच में बहुत सारे डिजीजेस आने की भी चांसेस है। तो मोनोफेजिक स्लीप और बाइफेजिक स्लीप, दीज आर डन ऑलमोस्ट यूनिवर्सली इन द वर्ल्ड। ओके,
Yes, brother, I would like to take that point. So when you're traveling, it's probably for a couple of days, right? So that kind of exception is okay. You can come back to your regular sleep schedule once you're back, right? Is that the question? Yeah, then maybe we should sleep early on those days and plan out things accordingly. If I know that I'm going to take a train tomorrow at 4 o'clock, then I'll try to sleep by 8 o'clock previous night, right? So ऐसे हम plan करना है, ठीक है? Okay. Thank you. Yes, please. कैसे complete कर सके? Yeah, because if you, what do you mean by psych? So these are, so you start sleeping late. If you sleep late, then you will not complete all the cycles for that time, of course, right? So if you are only finishing 2 cycles that time, then maybe the next day you have to try to sleep a little bit longer to be able to complete that, because these happen in daily life, the practical life, right? We are traveling or we are in some seva, this happens, but make sure that this is not repetitive. एक दिन in 1 month, it is okay. It happens for all of us. जी. Yeah. Thank you so much. Also, one more point, Baiji, the earlier one who asked the question. So, during the travel, also you can sleep, right? That is also possible. So, try to. You cannot sleep during the travel. Not while you are driving. Please don't sleep that time. And tell me that, oh, because of you, sister, I was sleeping during the driving. Uh, it's wonderful discussing, but I think let's complete. Yeah, let's complete.
हम स्पेशल माला भाई जी पूछना चाहते हैं कि ऐसे कितना सोए जो क्लास में नहीं सोए, योग में नहीं सोए, क्योंकि ब्राह्मणों को और माया तो बाद में लड़ेंगे, पहले यही माया से जीत ले.
वो मैं नहीं बता सकता हूं, लेकिन नींद को कैसे जीतना है क्लास में मैंने क्या किया और मैं क्या करता हूं वो मैं सुनाता हूं. वो सिंपल है. कर्चीफ है, भिगो के रखो. जब भी आंखें बंद होती है ना तो पहुंच लो और बाजू वाले को बताओ मुझे उठा देना, ये परमिशन दे दो. ठीक है, ये 2 सिंपल युक्ति है. क्योंकि कई ऐसे होते हैं, जैसे भाई साहब ने कहा योग निद्रा, योग में निद्रा है या निद्रा में योग है, ये कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. तो इसलिए अगर आप योग में निद्रा कर रहे हैं तो ये रख लो आप बस. दिस इज इजी.
No, it's lovely discussing, but let's complete the session. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, yeah, this is a chart that has been given by, the National Sleep Foundation, which recommends the average number of sleep hours for an average person. Okay. So, what is your age? 5 years? 2 years? Yes. Okay. So, according to your age, most probably we are in this age, right? So the recommended sleep hours are 7 to 9 hours per day. Okay. So this is one clip where the pilot was actually consuming the digital information quite a lot, and because of which he is sleep deprived. And pilot sleep deprived hota hai, then very bad accidents ho sakti, right? So in fact, the recent Indigo flight cancellations that are happening, right? You must be aware. Almost more than 3,000 Indigo flights have been cancelled in the last 2 months. Why? Because January 2024 May, Government of India has introduced new rules for the pilots, rest and sleep. And they are effective since November 1st. इसीलिए since November 1st, ज़्यादा flights cancel हो गया. So पहले क्या हुआ? Weekly rest for pilots 36 hours था. But अभी it is increased to 48 hours. And पहले night hours was defined as 2 to 5 a.m. only. Now it is increased to 2 to 6 a.m. And also maximum flight duty in the night per week was earlier 13 hours. Now it reduced to 10 hours and many more things. But the emphasis here is on the rest and the sleep of the pilots. Otherwise, it can lead to many bad situations, and that affects a lot of people globally, right? So this is the power of not, power of sleep, or otherwise around. If you don't sleep well, you not only destroy yourself, but it can actually also impact other people. Okay, as we already discussed, the sleep loss, which means if you don't sleep well, heart में problems हो सकते. So there have been again many scientific research studies that have been conducted, and they say that if you sleep for a lesser period of time, your lifespan, matlab, your age, so that lifespan will actually get reduced. So it says that adults who are having greater than 45 years of age, and if they are sleeping 6 hours, less than 6 hours a night, are 200% more likely to have a heart attack in their life. So this is an information, I think you should really take a note of it, although we are yogis. Okay. Second thing, yes, the example is this very famous, marathon runner. Maybe you have seen him in the news in 2009, right? So he died of heart attack. He was just 42. He was a marathon runner. So he's really physically fit. And one of the important reasons why he died is because he was sleeping 4 to 5 hours in a very, very regular fashion, almost every day. So it's actually due to sleep deprivation that he really died. Yeah? Okay, then another problem is that diabetics and obesity. So those who are sleeping less than 6 hours have a higher risk of developing diabetes. That is because of the hormones. For example, there is some hormone called as leptin and ghrelin hormone. So although you eat quite a lot, but if you are under sleep deprived, that this hormone which signals about, yeah, I am full, I had good amount of food, it is enough, that feeling will not come if you are sleep deprived. Okay, इसीलिए you will feel to eat more and more, that craving will be continuous. ठीक है, and which is why you are getting into the obesity and quite a lot of sugar levels in your body. ठीक है, समझ है सबका. And if you are just dieting without proper sleep, you are going to burn your muscle mass and not the fat. That's important. And the sleep loss will also reduce your physical immunity, which means you will catch diseases, small diseases like, flu, etc., bacterial diseases, infections very quickly. So therefore, even to have a good immunity in the body, it is important to have a good night's sleep. And of course, development of cancers. This is already quite a lot of medical studies are conducted to understand that many cancers are also linked to the sleep loss. Alzheimer's. Anybody knows what's Alzheimer's? Memory loss. By the way, not only sleep, also from a material scientist, I just want to add one more point. Please, aluminium vessels ko chodo. I want to tell to everybody, don't eat or cook in aluminium vessels. Cooking in aluminium vessels is the reason to get Alzheimer's. It's very, very bad. Okay, that's out of the point. But sleep loss is going to affect your memory and of course, your thinking, and it can also lead to Alzheimer's. So why? Because the lymphatic system, which means the cleansing system in the brain, right? That's what we talked about earlier, right? So that cleansing has to happen during your non-REM stage of the sleep. So if you don't sleep properly, having a good deep sleep, then that cleansing will not happen and a toxic protein gets, formed in the brain. That has to be cleaned regularly. That is why I told you, right? 3 days I did not sleep. 4th day I was not getting sleep because the toxic protein build हो गया and इसीलिए I was not able to sleep better. ठीक है? Yeah, it's the same point. Then time है आप हमारे पास video. Yeah. Let's skip this video in the interest of time. Let's move on. So the summary is that there are many effects on the brain and the psychological system as well as on your body, right? We looked at all of it. It can lead to cancer, the risk of increasing the cancer, risk of increasing the heart attacks, risk of increasing the diabetics, depression, anxiety, overthinking. All of these are the problems if you don't have good amount of sleep. Okay, so one comparison is that if somebody is drunk, they're consuming alcohol, will they be stable? They are not stable. That is why they are not allowed to drive, right? So similarly, if you are awake for more than certain number of hours, medically you are treated similar to a drunk person. So if you are awake more than 18 hours at a stretch, then it is almost like you are drunk, okay? And then it's not actually allowed for you to drive. So why? Because for example, if you sleep today at 10 o'clock in the night, you wake up, let's say, at 4 or 5 in the morning. Again, you go to sleep next day 10 o'clock. Let us say you're a mono-phase sleeper. So 18 hours or 16 hours of awakeness is possible for you. And again, next day you have to repeat the same cycle, right? So this is okay. But if you are not sleeping next day night also, then what is happening? You're going to more than 40 hours or 36 hours of not sleeping, which is not good. Okay. So this is some things which help us, which helped me also personally. So this is called as sunshine vitamin. What is that vitamin? Vitamin D. Okay. So vitamin D. So a lot of Europeans actually go for sun bath. I was in Europe for a few years, and over there I have seen that people just go and sit there, or people go and sleep there. Or in fact, nowadays in Europe especially, I've seen that medical doctors are prescribing that you should go for X number of sunbath hours or X number of walking in the nature. It's called ecotherapy. So they're all prescribing it medically. India, I am not sure whether this has come up, but Europe, this is the pills for the people who are having psychological disorders. Okay. So this vitamin D, for us to get a good amount of vitamin D, at least daily we can go for 15 minutes in the sun bath in the morning. So this vitamin D, how does it help? Of course, it's required for the body, but it also is good because it produces something called as a happy hormone. And the name of the happy hormone is serotonin. Okay, so that's why again there's a lot of research which is gone and into this, depression issues. People who have depression issues, they are asked to sit in the sun and they look at how they feel. Okay, so this is the second point. And the third point is this, the sleep hormone, which is called as melatonin, which gets generated in the night. It doesn't get generated in the day, right? Usually for the people who sleep in the night. Okay, so in the midnight, the amount of this hormone is the highest generated. And this hormone generation works on the principle that you have to be actually getting the sunshine exposure during the daytime. So morning हम sun को, if we don't go into the sun during the day, night में ये hormone नहीं generate होता है. Then that is also one of the reason. Okay, so now that is why whenever I have that problems of sleeplessness, then I really go into the sun, sit there, read the Murli in the sun, etc. And this really helps me. 2021 में 4 lakh UK में research participants were there, and they were asked to spend their time in the outdoor, and they tried to understand whether the sleep and the sunshine exposure are linked. Yes, this is a recent study that has concluded the same thing. And this point is, if you are getting into the sun between morning 8 and until the noon, like let's say 12 o'clock, so you are able to fall asleep, which will only take you maybe maximum of 18 minutes. But on the other hand, who don't get the sun exposure, they took longer to sleep. Okay, so that is also one more point. So blue light on sleep. Where do you see blue light? Mobiles, computers, tablets, more things are coming in the market, right? So this is going to disrupt your melatonin hormone. We just learned that this hormone is required to have a good night's sleep. And this blue light is going to disturb that hormone. So that is why the recommendation from our Dwell team, the digital wellness team, is not to look at the phone at least 1 hour before you go to the sleep. ठीक है? Yes, only blue color. Only blue color, but our digital devices are ejecting blue color only. So, yeah. Maybe you want to invent some red color technology for the phone in the future. Okay, yeah, this is a summary, like as we already discussed the problems associated with the sleep loss, right? So, no blue color, that means no digital devices in the night before you sleep. Yes, Pratha. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly go into the tips to enhance our sleep, right? So sleep and food. Of course, heavy meals, the meals which are rich in carbohydrates, fat, sugars, these are not pretty good in the night time. So better go for the simple meals, okay? And mostly the olive oil, avocados, some nuts, these are proven to be good to enhance the sleep. And there is something called bedtime procrastination. How many people feel that, oh, today I had a very long day and now is the time for me. I'm going to spend some time on my mobile relaxing. Please raise your hands. Honest. Be honest. I'm also raising. Not always, sometimes also it's okay. You can raise your hand. Sometimes we do that, right? But it's not good, because what is happening is that you go to the bed and you think that you want to sleep, so but you're not sleeping, you're actually watching a television or maybe you're watching a mobile, etc. So in your brain, what are you associating your bed with? You're not associating your bed with the sleep. You're thinking, I can go back on the bed, relax and watch television. That is what is getting registered in your mind. Okay, so that is not a good thing, firstly. So you should not go to the bed if you don't want to sleep. If you want to read something, come to the hall, sit there, read something. If you want to watch something also, come to another place, but don't go to the bed and do all of those things. Yeah? People tend to procrastinate, as we discussed, because they want to gain some time, and the freedom in the night to be able to get relaxed. So how to avoid those kind of situations? You can put an alarm, you can be firm on your decision, and you can also maintain that proper schedule that no, I have to sleep at a particular time period. So again, not getting into the details, I just want to ask you one simple question. We have alarms, clocks in all our homes. When was it invented? Alarm was invented or not? It was there from Satyug time, kya? It was invented in 1847. Just maybe 200 years ago, right? So, pehle alarm nahi tha. Then, how did we sleep? How did we wake up? Exactly. Nature. We looked at the nature, right? In fact, people want to see the time. They were mostly quite reasonably accurate. They would say, yeah, it is almost now around 2 o'clock, right? In the afternoon. They would look at the sun, the shadows, etc. and they will tell us, right? So, but that means one is the nature clock, but we also have a body clock, which is called as a biological clock, and it's also called as circadian cycle. So that helps us or directs us and tells us when to sleep, when to be eating, or when do you feel more energetic, etc. So if you look at this cycle, actually in the midnight, this is the time when your melatonin is highest, as we just studied. Similarly, if you I can't read very well, but yeah, if you look at 10 o'clock in the morning, that is the time when the alertness of all of us is the highest. So you're more alert in the morning times. Similarly, if you're going to the evening times, at let's say 6 o'clock, you have got a relatively high blood pressure, etc. And there are many more things associated with your biological clock. So what I want to say is that this clock has come based on the light and the darkness. So if you are having a sunshine, that is during the day, how do you feel? The body, how does it feel? And during the night, how does it feel? So basically the key point here is that it is important for us all to respect our biological clocks, including me. Huh? Disclaimer. Okay, so a summary, we can, maybe you can skip this and go to the, I can actually, we'll be posting this, the video to you. You can watch it. It's a good video. So tips to sleep well. Let's go a little bit faster here if it is okay for you. So first thing is we will maintain a regularity. Sleep at the same time, wake up at the same time, including the weekends, especially for the working people. I think this is something we all have to take in, right? Secondly, take the right amount of sunlight in the day. That will help to generate the sleep hormone. Thirdly, if you're still not able to sleep in the night, take a nice warm bath. Okay. Fourth one, yeah, it's not for us, but generally, no alcohol, no smoking, nothing, at least 4 hours prior to sleeping. Then make your room completely dark, not like this a fancy modern room with so many lights and so on. That is not recommended. It's important to keep the room dark. So go for the blind curtains, dark curtains, and some people even go with this the sleeping pouch kind of a thing they apply, right? So it helps actually to go for sleep. Then meditate. Of course, you meditate. This also helps. Then no screen, at least 1 to 2 hours before you get to sleep. Then do not exercise late in the evenings, because it's going to actually activate your system, and that's not good for sleeping. Avoid large meals and no caffeine. I know some very few people who says that it doesn't matter for them if they drink tea, coffee, but majority of us, it does affect if you're having a coffee or a tea before you go to sleep. So avoid that if it doesn't suit your body. Do not stay in the bed awake. That's what we just discussed, right? If you are not able to sleep on the bed in the 10 minutes, don't stay there. Just wake up, go to another room, and don't try to stress yourself saying, oh, I'm not getting sleep. That is not a good idea. The more you stress yourself, you will actually not be able to sleep. Okay? Okay, if you're further not able to sleep, then don't watch your clock. Do some good breathing exercises. Read Murlis, like what Balabai was mentioning, right? And Avyakt Murli. And you can also sometimes write down your diary in the night, anything you feel like writing. And again, don't switch on your digital devices. This is not good. The blue light will come to attack us. Okay, so for night shift workers, there are a few possibilities. So whether it is a weekend or a weekday, they should still continue the same schedule, and they should get the sunshine at least in the afternoon. That is a good, it's going to give that sleep hormone. That is one more recommendation. And it's also recommended for them to work in the yellow or the orange light before closing the shift. So again, the final point is, if they are sleeping in the day also, then also the room should be quite dark so that they should be able to sleep better. So with this, I would like to complete this session, and thank you once again. Om Shanti.
हम योग 1 घंटा करते हैं इसलिए नींद 4 घंटा कर सकते हैं? नहीं। अगर आप योग में नींद कर रहे हो तो वो नींद में ऐड हो जाएगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन नींद अलग है, योग अलग है। ये गलतफहमी में नहीं आना चाहिए। अगर आप 6 घंटा आपकी नींद की जरूरत है तो 6 घंटा आपको सोना ही है। ऐसा नहीं कि मैं 1 घंटा योग करता हूं। अगर योग में नींद करते हैं तो ठीक है, ये 5+1 6 हो जाएगा, बट योग time is not a replacement for your sleep time. Please remember this, because I've seen quite a few Kumars and Kumaris make this mistake, और वो आज ज्ञान में भी नहीं है, because they became so frustrated they left ज्ञान. तो ऐसा मत करो। जो हमारे यहाँ एक और दूसरी प्रथा है ना, जो सूरज भाई भी कहते हैं कि आजकल या लेटली वो शुरू हुआ है कि 2 बजे उठेंगे तो सतयुग की आदि में आएंगे, 3 बजे उठेंगे तो 3 या 4 बर्ड्स के बाद आएंगे। ये बाबा ने मुरली में नहीं कहा है, किसने क्रिएट किया है।